In this video, I'm going to break down the 6 types of the content that you can use if you sell any digital product online. Okay, so I'm using these 6 types of the content, and this is also what you can implement in your business. Now, if you like this video, just click like and subscribe. And if you want a full access to my whole strategy, also you can just click the link below and you can join my community. Now, let's get started. So the first type is story post, okay? Because people don't connect with a product but with a story behind. And I'm talking about a story, your personal story, and stories that you have from your life, right? And also, we have business stories, right? How you went from X to Y, right? Or how you help some person to go from point A to the point B. This is what you want to share because this is what people are actually buying. And once they buy that, once they buy you and your story, then they're going to buy your product. So that's number one. Number two, what we have is breaking false beliefs, right? So in order to people buy your product, they have to be aligned with your beliefs. So you have to kill all the lies they have about their problem, right? So what you can do is you can put a paper and on one side just list all of the false beliefs that your audience right now have about a product and the solution. And then on the other side, all of the beliefs they need to have to buy your product, right? And then you just smash that in your content, right? You don't need to do XYZ, you need to do this, and this because of this, and this, right? So this is what you want to do because, like, if you don't break these false beliefs, they're going to put that as an objections later once you give them an offer. So that's number two. Then we have number three, which is social proof. So everything that you talk about, you want to back up with a proof, right? This can be a screenshots, these can be testimonials, these can be the DMs that people are actually are messaging you, right? These can be comments as well, right? These can be on personal results, testimonials, but also these can be testimonials, results from your client or a student, right? So anything that supports your model and your beliefs about certain problem and solution, just post that as a proof. So that's number three. Then we have number four, which is personal beliefs, lifestyle behind the scene. I just put this into one box because this is you as a person, right? What you personally believe in, what are your beliefs, what are your values, what you stand for, because this is how people actually will be attracted to you, right? And then also you show your lifestyle, what kind of life you live. This is also where people will resonate with you, and also you show them behind the scene, right? So share what you stand for. People buy into values, right? People buy into hobbies, people buy into your lifestyle, people buy into your mindset, people buy into your personality. Okay, so that's number four. Number five is offer breakdown. Okay, so you have to tell people like how you help them, right? So you have to break down your offer as well. So tell people how you help other people with specific problem. Okay, so break down your offer in simple steps. Make sure it's very clear because clarity closes. Okay, so show them the roadmap, how your product can get them from point A, from the problem to the solution to the point B. Okay, so that's number five. And number six is problem solution. So with this type of the content, you want to show that you understand their problem better than they do. Because if you can show that, you automatically build trust and authority. And even if you're a complete beginner and you don't have any results, if you can articulate their problem better than they can, you're gonna automatically get a trust and authority. Okay, so they're gonna ask, okay, how you can help me because I see that you understand this better than me. Obviously, you have the solution. I would like to see what is the solution and how you can help me. Okay, so yeah, smash these 6 types of the content each week and you're going to get more sales for your digital product. And if you want my help to implement this content and also the sales process and lead generation, just click the link below and join my community. And if you like this video, just click like and subscribe.